1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 videos! That was a difficult intro. Well, alright, this is my 100th video on the unboxing, and it's not going to be a long one. It's not going to be about tech or anything like that. It's just going to be a thank you video for everyone who has been watching. I have around 350 subscribers right now, and I never thought I would have so many subscribers as of right now. So it's not a lot, of course, but it's still like 300. Imagine 350 people watching your videos. That's so crazy. That's like, there is no possible way that 350 people can fit in this room, I think. We could try it at least. Come over. I'll send you my address. But yeah, you know what I mean. It's very crazy. Some people say like, oh, I have 9 million subscribers. Dab, dab, dabalicious. Yeah, but I have 300 and I'm happy with that. But I've always said I was going to quit on a high, and that's why I have to announce that I'm not quitting, because I'm not high. Oh God. So I actually want to improve the style of the channel. I'm going to try and make some more review videos with cool shots, cool music and all that stuff. And maybe some other things as well where I talk about tech. But of course, I always like feedback. So if you have any ideas for videos, what did you like in the past? For example, no one's going to comment, I know. But hey, if anyone's watching, what did you like in the past? Or what do you like to see? Let me know. And maybe I can make a video out of it and we can enjoy it both together. I can enjoy making the video and you can enjoy watching it. So yeah, alright, this has been way too long already, this 100th anniversary video. Stay tuned for the next one and I'll hope to see you then.